Yes, yes, students. There is a question that is velocity at 91 degree, velocity of sound at 91 degrees Celsius. Velocity of sound at 91 degrees Celsius is to tell you. Given velocity of sound at NTP is 331 meter per second and the pressure also doubles. So the temperature changes, pressure becomes double. But I am telling you about this, there will be no effect because with change in pressure, no change in the velocity, no effect in the velocity of the sound. Velocity of sound is proportional to the temperature. So from this implies Vt upon V naught equal root T upon T naught. From this we can substitute this value. Vt upon V naught equal T upon T naught. This is 273 plus T upon 273. So Vt equal root 273 plus 91 upon 273 times of this is the V naught, and V naught value is 331. Now you simplify it. It is your answer. Okay. If any doubt, please clear to me. Please think about this. For pause it, clear it. Next question I am telling. Hello. Yes, there is another question. Find the temperature at which sound travels in hydrogen with the same velocity as in oxygen at 1000 degrees Celsius. Density of oxygen is 16 times that of the hydrogen. That is simple way. 1 minute. There are two gases. One is oxygen, hydrogen. So in this, temperature is 1000 degrees Celsius and temperature T degrees Celsius. At temperature 1000 degrees Celsius in oxygen, the velocity of sound at 1000 degrees Celsius in oxygen equal velocity of sound at T degrees Celsius in hydrogen. So find the T degrees Celsius. What is the T? So T degrees Celsius is asked. This is the only question. Only this is the question. Velocity at T degrees Celsius in hydrogen gas equal to velocity at 1000 degrees Celsius in oxygen gas. So what is the value of T? So I am telling you, as we know, velocity is proportional to the temperature. The velocity at 1000 degrees Celsius in oxygen is equal to velocity at T degrees Celsius in hydrogen. And we know it very well, V1000 upon V not 0 degrees Celsius for oxygen, V for oxygen equal root T 1000 upon T 0 degrees Celsius. This technique will apply. On further simplification, you write 273 plus 1000 upon 273. So in this way you can write this is 1273 upon 273 times of V0 transferred to right side. This is the V0, velocity of 0 degree Celsius for oxygen, velocity of sound in oxygen gas at 0 degree Celsius is equal to a root T 273 plus T upon 273. Same way you will find as this way. For this you will find this times of velocity at 0 degree Celsius for hydrogen gas. We know this is equal, you equated it. So from this further you made velocity of 0 degree Celsius for oxygen and velocity at 0 degree Celsius for hydrogen. Velocity is equal to, from this 273 cancel and this came to this side, it is root 273 plus T upon 1273. You simplify, transfer this to this side, and velocity is inversely proportional to density. So you may write with this respect density of oxygen, temperature is same for both. So temperature is same. Now velocity will be proportional, inversely proportional to density. So you have density of hydrogen and density of oxygen O2 S2. So you may write 273 plus T upon 1273 root equal density of hydrogen 1 and this is 16. Oxygen is 16 times heavier than hydrogen with respect to molar mass. So now on simplification we find the T. In case any doubt, please clear. Again I am repeating, there are two gases, oxygen gas, hydrogen gas. Velocity of sound in oxygen gas at 1000 degrees Celsius is equal to velocity of sound in hydrogen gas at T degrees Celsius. Then what is the value of T? So by technique, by this you have got velocity 1000 at 1000 degrees Celsius of oxygen. You substituted, this is equal to velocity of sound at T degrees Celsius in hydrogen gas. Equated, you simplified. In case any doubt, please clear. And our next question is, that is